Welcome to another Roads and CityStreets drive. Riverside Drive is a major thoroughfare in Windsor, Ontario, running along the Detroit River for approximately 17.5 kilometers. Today, we're going to drive from the Walker Road intersection with the Hiram Walker Distillery on either side of the street, through Windsor's downtown waterfront, under the Ambassador Bridge, until we merge with Sandwich Street. Please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel and I appreciate it greatly. Okay, let's go. Riverside Drive was originally known as Sandwich Street, named after the former community of Sandwich, a neighborhood in Windsor. The road dates to 1892, when it was a route connecting the western and eastern parts of the region. In the early 20th century, Riverside Drive passed through the town of Riverside, which was annexed by Windsor in 1966. During the Prohibition era, several taverns and hotels along Riverside Drive catered to American visitors seeking alcohol, contributing to the area's party atmosphere. Notable examples include Edgewater Thomas Inn, the Island View Tavern, or Abars, Rendezvous Tavern, Menard's Tavern, Lauzon Stop House, and Wolf's Hotel. Some of the most expensive real estate is on Riverside Drive's waterfront. For about 3 kilometers, the road features bike lanes and runs parallel to the riverfront bike trail in the parkland. The drive is also home to a diverse array of restaurants, cafes, bars offering a range of cuisines and atmospheres. From upscale dining to casual eateries, there's something for every taste and budget. Today, Riverside Drive remains a vibrant and popular destination in Windsor. It's a hub for outdoor activities, with parks, walking trails, and bike paths running parallel to the river. The riverfront is dotted with public art, sculptures, fountains, and picnic areas, making it a perfect spot for families and visitors alike. Riverside Drive has played a significant role in Windsor's history, serving as a vital transportation route and reflecting the city's cultural heritage through architecture and landmarks. This is where Riverside Drive merges into Sandwich Street, and today's drive ends. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. More roads and city streets are coming. Thanks for watching. This is Bob Jones, and I will see you in the next video.